Now that you know a little bit about the US CMA, the next question in your mind would obviously be as to why should you be considering Finspire Academy to acquire the qualification. The first and foremost reason I would like to bring to your consideration is we are a team of highly motivated professionals. We are chartered accountants, cost accountants, company secretary, CPAs, CMAs, CIAs, and ACCAs. So our team comprises of members who are all qualified in these respective fields. Together, we have a corporate experience of more than 75 years and more than 30 years of teaching experience in this field. Finspire Academy are the authorized learning partners for Wiley of the US, who have got more than 200 years of experience as a learning service provider for these type of certifications. Wiley students enjoy more than 90% success rate. I was a Wiley student myself, under which I completed my CMA, CIA and CPA as a Wiley student. The next and the most important reason that I would advocate for joining Finspire is our learning methodology. While all our classes are online and conducted only in the weekends, we supplement it with the Wiley course materials and also with our own proprietary videos, which essentially focuses on how a multiple choice question has to be answered. As I had mentioned earlier, a student will have to solve 100 multiple choice questions in 3 hours. So it is imperative for him to understand the tips and techniques which are needed to solve a multiple choice question accurately. And these proprietary videos will essentially be focusing on this skill set. Apart from this, we also have an optional mentoring session which would be live and conducted online, where again these multiple choice questions would be answered and solved for the better understanding for the students. Based on the confidence we have in the methodology and the materials we provide, Finspire Academy offers a unique pass guarantee subject to certain conditions. If you are willing to religiously follow what is being told to you and ensure that you adhere to that, your entire fees would be refunded subject to the cost of the Wiley software which we would be providing to you. We are pretty confident that you would be clearing your exams in the first attempt, and hence we believe that the question of refunding is not going to arise at all. Lastly, our professional team consists of members for whom education has been the transforming catalyst in their life. All of us come from a humble background, and with no proper mentoring and guidance, we have reached where we have. And we would want to ensure that we capitalize on our extensive knowledge in this profession and transform it to you so that you get your lives transformed for a better tomorrow. Come, join us and experience the transformation process. Together we can, and together we shall.